guys, it's Sejal. So I was in Mumbai recently for an entire week to shoot a branded video, and then I extended my trip because I had some work, secret work, and I also wanted to go to Colaba Causeway to shop, to make a haul video, and I was really excited, but it started raining. I think वो पहली या दूसरी बारिश थी of the season, and मेरा पहला experience था of the whole Bombay monsoon. We got completely drenched. हम काली पीली में गए, मुझे काली पीली में बैठ के एक allergy हो गई, छप हो रही थी हर जगह. So before we start the haul, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit subscribe and like and do comment below. And let's roll the Colaba footage.
Is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. Shine in every you're resting your head.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense.
You sing la 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 la.
You know, not bad. Like, they're genuinely not bad. Art so.
Of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth
Finally, one thing.
rather be.
Long story short, मैंने कुछ भी ढंग का नहीं खरीदा. Everything is very average. A total of so many 5 things. And वो भी बहुत मुश्किल से बिल्कुल ही average bargaining skills के बाद खरीदी गई हैं. Since I'm growing up a little bit, my choices have also become. I don't enjoy wearing what I used to wear in college. कि अच्छा 100 रुपये की टी-शर्ट मिल गई, ठीक ठाक लग रही है, खरीद ली. Only if I really like something will I buy it. I was really upset because this video is going to be a total failure. But I thought I will do something, and each of the 5 items that I have, I'm going to show you how to style them in 2 different ways, so that there's some good content for you, so you can see that even if you overspent at a street market, how you can use these items in more than one way.
I've got the time to show my love.
The first thing is this kind of awkward length ka kurta / dress. So I'm wearing a white shirt inside to dress it up and also to deal with the awkward short length, and I also paired it with pearl earrings and a cane bag to complete the look.
Got a heart. I've got a heart that has been traumatized.
Another way to wear this kind of awkward kurta / dress is to basically deal with the length. So मैंने उसके साथ एक denim skirt पहनी है, and I wanted to change up the look, so I'm just wearing plain sunglasses with it, ethnic earrings and black flowers. जब मैंने ड्रेस खरीदी थी, I thought मुझे अच्छे से fit आएगी, and even after getting it fitted, it still fits kind of strange. So I tried to make the best of it with really trendy accessories, जैसे मेरा yellow bag, chunky sneakers and the pearl clips. I thought second option में let's do something experimental, तो मैंने ड्रेस के buttons खोले and I'm wearing a skirt inside, and I paired it with a beret and a belt to complete the look. I'm not too sure about this, so why don't you guys try something similar and tell me what you think. ये टॉप मेरा फेवरेट परचेज है फ्रॉम द ट्रिप. इट्स अ knit top and I really like the style of it. So basic outfit, ripped jeans, the same cane bag and gold accessories. I really like pairing tank tops under spaghetti strap dresses. So ये वाली dress का back भी काफ़ी low है, and I think it looks really nice, even the color combination. And I just finished the look off with my Vans and gold accessories.
My dreams can never.
Hi yaar, I only bought 1 pair of earrings, but I really like these, and I also wanted to show you a western outfit to go with ethnic earrings. So I'm wearing a plain black really smart jumpsuit with it, and I think it matches the whole vibe of the earrings, and I just paired it with these. And एक Indian option के लिए pretty simple. I'm just wearing a kurta with palazzo pants. I think black and gold and green just go really well. That's why I'm wearing a black kurta, and I completed the look with this metallic gold string. Alright, the last purchase. Yes, I spent 400 rupees on these heels, but they're nice. Okay, hey, okay, I really like the color, so I wanted to play with that color, so I'm wearing a similar colored skirt paired it with a white top. And for option number 2, again, मैं चाहती थी कि मैं कुछ Indian पहनूं, so this is actually a kurta which I'm wearing as a dress, and I'm wearing a nice necklace to match with it, and I also kind of made it off shoulder to give it an edgy look. And that's it, friends. 10th voiceover done. Hope that helped you out. Next time if you do go to Colaba, be prepared that it's really tough to bargain, and try and just buy pieces that you'll actually end up using because it's expensive. Do comment below your favorite outfit, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
You laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.